Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how to hack Zombie Frontier 3 and get a lot of free gold and gems. Enter gamepick.org to your browser. Search for the Zombie Frontier 3 and it will take you to our hack tool. Once you're there, type in your in-game username, amount of gold and gems and click Generate button. This will ignite gold and gems injection to your account. In order to finish it, you will need to complete offer from the list. This process is here so we can be sure that gold and gems are going to you and you only. Just follow unlock instructions and when it's done restart your game. As you can see, after I restarted the game, gold and gems are filling up, which means that this method works perfectly. We hope this video was helpful, and if you have some questions, leave comment below and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.